Friends are doing good. Today I'll show you how you can change your URL. I'm in permalink in your WordPress website. So I show you, this is my WordPress website in localhost. Then if I click here, and if you want to see this address, this is the URL. Unique. This is the this post URL. Also, if I go to like this page URL, like just WP index.php and about us. If I go sample page like that, okay. Now I change the URL. I'm in permalink. So if you want to change the permalink, you should go to settings. Then you will see the permalinks option. Then you just click here. There are many options. This is the custom. This is the plain. Custom means this one by default provide from WordPress, and this is the plain. And I recommend to you use the post name. This is the good. Then you just save and change. All right. Now I go back to home, another tab, see this page. Now I click here, click, it's not working. Okay, check the home, it's not working, okay. Now we just reload this page. And check this. Okay, we need again click and plain, save and change, and again save. Oh, okay. Therein need to do some copy and paste to htaccess, because I'm using Mac and there need to permission for right. So first I need no need for you. If you use it as a Windows, then it will be no problem for you. Then go just WP. Yes, good. If you have a live website, no need to you like this. Here you need to htaccess, make file dot htaccess and put here. Okay. Now reload again. htaccess. I think spelling is right. Okay, this one done. Now we check again. Go to home page. This working good. And click hello. Yeah, now it's okay. Okay. Then you see this is my main website URL, and this is the hello test. Previously, if I check the hello test, this is the previous URL. And now if I want to about us page, this is the about us page and URL, this one, then about us. And if I see before this URL, then index.php, then about us. That's it. The pretty easy, and you just ignore the code because I'm using Mac. That's why I have security issue. When I save from here, then WordPress cannot access for write the code. This is the problem. But if you have live website and if you use the like Windows operating system, so you are no need. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.